Hi everybody, it's Robert Salter, the Owl Man, and I'm just out checking my nest boxes this morning, and I've just come to a site where I've been coming for over 30 years to check on the barn owls, and I'd just like to show you this barn here. This barn here is where the barn owls used to nest. I put a box up back in like 92 and it was a really successful box, but as you can see, all the barn has just collapsed in on itself. This is where I used to walk up these steps here. Then I'd walk through that door and the box was at the rear of the barn. But as you can see, it's no more. And this is a problem what barn owls face. These old buildings were absolutely ideal for barn owls, for shelter and for nesting opportunities. Nice quiet places, just left alone. Really fantastic for the barn owls. But it's not all doom and gloom, because what I did when this barn collapsed, straight away I put a nest box in this building here, and it's still in good condition as this, all the roof's still intact. So I placed a box in here where the barn owls had already been roosting. It's nice and dry in this building. God, the wood pigeon. So yeah, I placed a box on this beam here. That platform's fallen a bit, but yeah, we'll go up and we'll have a look what's inside. Right, let's go up and have a look. Doesn't appear to be anything in here. No. A few fresh pellets in there, so I've been using it. No. Nope, nothing in there. Let's have a feel around. Oh, it's a shame, is that? But there you go. I've fixed the platform back up. But now that this video is just highlighting just, you know, what I call just like positive conservation, really. Just this is what it's all about. Conserving these beds so they can retain that viable population to sustain itself. You know, for me, it's not all about putting rings on beds. It's all about, you know, if I walk away from a nest site knowing that the owls have a nice, good, secure site for the future, I'm really happy with that. And that's what it's all about for me. It's also just great just getting out into these places. I just love coming to these old, forgotten, derelict places. I've always had a real fascination with them, even as a child. Yeah, it's like the barn owl, it just hangs on to the past, and I just really like that. Because as we all know, it was a lot better in the past. So yeah, sorry there weren't no barn owls in the box, but I'm sure there will be in the next video. Okay, thanks for watching.